Aloha and welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we are traveling across the Pacific to bring you a superb seafood dish. New Zealand greenshell mussels in a lemon butter sauce. First step, spark up some coals on the grill. For the lemon butter sauce, I'm using a single Hawaiian chili. Not for spice, but to provide a bit of heat from the back. In a saucepan, melt your butter with lemon juice, the chili, and salt and pepper. Use plenty of lemon, as its tang goes beautifully well with the flavor of the mussels. Once the coals have burned off, place a pizza stone on the grill and cover to bring up to temperature. These mussels from New Zealand are incredible. They taste like they're the flesh of the sea. That's why a basic preparation, simply augmenting their natural flavor, is best.
Rain some more, some more. I'll run barefoot through the grass till my face is blue. Please wash away my troubles till I feel brand new again. My heart is afraid.
Once you've poured through the butter sauce, cover the lid to let the mussels cook through. If the grill is hot enough, this could take as little as 5 minutes.
Sorry about me, pleading this storm to come and wash me away.
You'll notice the butter sauce start to reduce within each shell, becoming sticky and sweet. When the mussels are done, transfer to a large bowl for serving. Serve around a campfire or with a glass of Marlborough White, and you'll feel like you're in New Zealand. Tune in next Sunday. We'll be showing footage from Milford Track, Fiordland, and all around New Zealand from a trip we took there in 2015. Aloha.